The model new white Juniper. Rotating tweeter installation tutorial. First, turn off the entire vehicle power. Click on the vehicle in the lower left corner of the lower right. Then find safety. Then slide down this to turn off the power. Before installation, turn off the power off. Click to turn off the power. After all the lights are turned off, we start to remove the door panel. Use IT30 screwdriver to remove 3 screws. One here, and one on the side. After removing the screws, we use a pry bar to reach in from here and pry the entire door panel up and pull it out. After prying it loose, turn up the tweeter of the original car and push it out. Then unplug the connection plug and it's done. Lift the whole door panel up and pull it out. Then unplug all the connecting wires and remove the handle. Pull out all these. We have a large wire with a white plug here. Take it out, and then there are 2 power cables here. 2 power cords, one long and one short. The short one is pulled to the right front door. The long one is pulled to the left front door. Then see where this white plug turns. Remove all this side panel. Just pull the clips upward. Find this white plug in the car. There is a red clip. We bend the red clip upward. Then hold the clip and pull it out. And the white plug will be pulled out. Remember, it's this one. Don't pull the wrong one. This white plug is in this position. Then take out this white headed adapter cable. One end is plugged in here. And the other end is plugged into the original car. It's done. Then, add these 2 extra lines. The short one is on the right and the long one on the left. Pull these 2 lines over. Then this wire goes through the saddle from the floor. Pull all the way to the left. This way, it can cross the entire saddle. Then use the T25 tool. Remove the 4 screws of the speaker. After removing the speaker, pull out the speaker cable and remove the speaker. Then use tools. Remove the screws on the side. Loosen these screws here to leave a gap. It's okay to break a little gap here. Then use a skip plate to pry this side open. It will come out. The same goes for this side. Then put this power cord through this gap on this side. You can touch it with your hand. You can see it in this position. Pass the wire through this position. Then pass through this leather sleeve. Pull the wire from here to this side. Like this. Pull the entire wire through this rubber sleeve. Then pass it through here. And come out from this position. Press it in after pressing it out along the edge. And leave it here. This line is then restore everything back to its original state. After removing the original tweeter, first, transplant this blind spot. There are screws here. After removing, then pry this out. Pull it up and it will come out. Then pull it out from here. The whole thing can be taken off. Then take out the wire. Put this aside. Then pry the speaker out. Pry it loose and take it out. Pull it out like this, and the speaker will be removed. This can be put aside. Take out the rotating body. Pull the lamp head off the main body. Then remove the 3 screws here. Then pull the whole panel out and it comes out. Then take out this blind spot bracket from the original factory good location and install the blind spot inside. This hole is good. This spinning treble, the hole inside can be used. Just insert it into the hole like this. Then put the bracket back in place. Leave the blind spot wire aside for now. Then screw the screws back, 3 screws. Insert the speaker through this gap. And it's okay to put it in. Then take out the wire through this position. It can come out like this. The speaker wire, pull out the blind spot line. Then put the lamp head. And insert it into here. Align it with the lamp socket. And click it down. Then straighten out all the wires. Then take out the adapter cable for our ambient light. There are 2 of these heads here. We can see. And then there are 3 heads coming out. First, we connect these 2 heads to the original ambient light. and unplug the original ambient light plug. This one is in this position. We plug one end into this one. Just plug them together, then plug this one into this one. And it's okay. Then put the line. Take out the adapter cable for this module. This set of gray plugs is for the speaker. Transfer his original car to this speaker. Just plug it in one end and go back. Then we fix the module here. Just find the place. Now this way. There are 5 extra plugs here. How to plug in these 5 plugs? The first one is a 3-wire one. We plug in with the third wire. You can see the 3 plugs of red, blue, and black. Plug them together here and here. There is a single red wire. Find the set of wires we pulled from the car and plug it in, like this. Now there are 2 plugs left here. What are these 2 plugs for? The 5-wire one is for the rotating motor, and this one is for the ambient light from this position. And plug it into the rotating motor later. Then stop it here. Then you can install the door panel up. Reserve all the lines at the position of the trailer hole for the original car. Then buckle the door panel up. Yes, just buckle up the good position. Then take out the rotating treble. The 5-wire one with the 5-wire one. Then the 3-wire one is plugged into the 4-wire one. Then there are 2 more here. One is for the speaker and the other is for the blind spot. One is plugged into the blind spot one. Then insert the speaker into the speaker. Plug it here. And then you line up all the threads and tuck them in. After arranging the wires, we align the car position here. And then press it down, and it's okay. It's alright to insert it like this. Then the left side is installed in the same way. Then pull a wire in the long one just and pull it into the door. Then put the screws back when the installation is complete.